Oh, that's what you call proper engine.
Look at that.
Did that really get going that quick?
Yeah.
He's probably going home.
He's going to Bedford.
Yeah, that's home. He'll take that home.
He's got a helipad in his back garden now.
Yeah, he's got a big house. I'm talking proper big house.
Yeah. The extra tenner is like...
Yeah, tenner's nothing to him. But it's the gesture.
Yeah. He knows that
shows the appreciation.
Oh yeah. I'm really appreciative of what we do.
That made it. That's your treat. Bowwood isn't the treat, isn't really it.
No, because Bowwood was just something I asked for.
Yeah.
And technically all I wanted was a nice photo of me and you.
So you got over 200 to choose from, and you got a bit of a tea from it.
No, but trust me, that made my day. That really did.
Here we go.
What, we're on the 2-minute mark?
Yeah, we're getting close to 2 minutes and he's just trusted. We're near the engine red zone.
I took my headphones off my ears, look at that.
That's loud.
Okay, it changes.
Yeah.
It goes to more chopper.
There we go. Yeah, we'll go off over there.
Tim.
There's another one somewhere. Yeah, he's going home.
Yeah. Exactly.
Lucky bastard.
Yeah.